Hello. Greetings from this video. Today we will talk about Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench is the deepest part of the world's oceans, reaching a maximum depth of approximately 36,070 feet, 10,994 meters today. It is close to Guam and the Mariana Islands in the western Pacific Ocean. The trench is 44 miles, 70 kilometers, wide and approximately 1,550 miles, 2,500 kilometers, long. The Pacific Plate and the Philippine Plate collided, resulting in the formation of the trench. Tube worms, enormous amphipods, and deep-sea fish are just a few of the unusual marine life that inhabit the trench. The trench's pressure is greater than 1,000 times that of the surrounding atmosphere at sea level. The first manned expedition to the trench's bottom was made in 1960 by Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh. The HMS Challenger, which carried out the initial scientific survey of the Mariana Trench in 1875, was the inspiration for the name of the deepest point in the area, the Challenger Deep. The trench's water is extremely icy, with temperatures close to freezing. Numerous hydrothermal vents can be found in the trench, which let out hot, mineral-rich water into the environment. The Mariana Channel is essential for the Pacific Ring of Fire, an area of extraordinary volcanic and seismic action. The Mariana Islands, which were given their names by Queen Mariana of Austria, the wife of King Philip IV of Spain, inspired the trench's name. The Mariana Trench is deeper than Mount Everest, the world's tallest mountain, by more than 7,000 feet, 2,100 meters. A free-falling object would need over an hour to reach the bottom of the extremely deep trench. The majority of man-made objects can be crushed by the trench's immense pressure at the bottom. The trench's water is so clear that one can see for hundreds of feet. There is still a lot to learn about the trench, which is one of the least studied areas of the Earth's surface. The abyssal zone of the Pacific Ocean, which is the portion of the ocean that is deeper than 3,000 meters, 9,800 feet, is where the trench is situated. It is believed that the Mariana Trench is approximately 180 million years old. The Challenger Deep, which is 36,070 feet, 10,994 meters, below sea level, is located in the trench. It is the deepest point that is known to exist on Earth. UNESCO designated the Mariana Trench as a biosphere reserve. The Challenger Deep and the Mariana Islands are among the chain of islands and seamounts that surround the trench. A flourishing ecosystem of deep-sea creatures is supported by the trench's nutrient-rich water. The channel is home to a few types of Goliath isopods, which are remote ocean scavengers that can grow up to 2 feet, 0.6 meters, long. The deep-sea jellyfish Crossota milsae is one of several species of jellyfish that live in the trench. SpongeBob SquarePants' fictional home, Bikini Bottom, was based on the Mariana Trench. Numerous scientific investigations have been conducted in the trench, including investigations into ocean currents, deep-sea ecosystems, and plate tectonics. The Mariana Trench is not only the deepest but also the deepest trench in the world's oceans. The Mariana Trench is part of the hodopelagic zone, which is the deepest part of the ocean where sunlight cannot penetrate. It is located in an area of the ocean that is susceptible to flooding. James Cameron, a filmmaker, became the second person to dive solo to the bottom of the Mariana Trench in 2012. The weight of approximately 50 jumbo jets is equivalent to the pressure at the trench's bottom. Regardless of its profundity, the channel isn't the farthest spot from the world's middle, as the Earth is certainly not an ideal circle. In 1960, the U.S. Navy led the first unmanned expedition to the trench's bottom. Numerous upcoming deep-sea exploration and research expeditions are planned for the Mariana Trench, a popular location. Thanks for watching.